Okay, let's try this trig roundup question here. We've got a right angle triangle here, ABC. It looks like angle A is 56 degrees. There's your right angle. There's the long side, the hypotenuse, and it's 10 meters. We've got some angles over here, 110, 36. But the first question is, determine the length of CB. Well, that's a right angle triangle, so you've got to name the side CB. What is that? Well, it's opposite 56 degrees, and 10 is the hypotenuse, and opposite over hypotenuse is sine. Well, that's it. The sine of 56 degrees equals CB over 10, opposite over hypotenuse, and that's why it looks like that. You multiply by 10 times the sine of 56 degrees, your answer is 8.29 meters, and you write it right in there. So you say, oh, now I know what this side is. Now, you know there's something interesting. If we've just learned the law of sines, you could have done this. 10 over the sine of 90 equals CB over the sine of 56. But the sine of 90 is just 1. So it just would work anyways. You'd have CB over the sine of 56 equals 10 over 1, and you'd end up with the same thing. So the law of sines would work there. Okay, now determine the length of CD. Well, it's the law of sines again. Or you can use the law of sines here. You've got CD, and you've got the angle opposite this. And now you've got this angle, and the side, now we know the side. So we can just go, CD goes with the sine of 110, the way 8.29 goes with the sine of 36. And there it is. We multiply the sine 110 up there. We put that in our calculator, and we get CB equals 13.25 meters. And there you go. That's the answer. There you go. That's the answer. Okay, let's try the last question. Determine the area of triangle BCD. Well, what do we know? We know that's 13.25. So now, if we have this angle in between, we could use the area rule. 1/2 the two sides multiplied together times the sine of the angle that's in between. But we don't have that angle. But oh no, if we just add that up, that's 146 minus 180. That's 34 degrees because of angles sum in a triangle. Then just use the area rule. You multiply the two sides together times 1/2, and you do the sine of the angle in between. Just put that in your calculator, and we just got how many square meters are inside this big triangle. That's a big triangle, whatever that is. Okay, I hope that helps.